Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and validate a signature in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go ahead and open up this main page right here on adobe.com. This is the official website, and get started with downloading Adobe Acrobat. From here, once you've downloaded and installed it and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started using Adobe Acrobat. And here is how it looks. This is going to be the main page where you're going to go ahead and be able to see the recommended tool section that's going to enable us to fill and sign our documents and use our signatures. As you can see, once you open it up, it's going to take us to this page from where we can get started signing documents. But if you need help with verifying your ID and your signature, here we have an article on the official adobe.com website on how to validate digital signatures. You're going to open a PDF containing the signature and select signatures from the right panel. Here you can take a look at the signatures at the left side of the screen. Once you go ahead and open up this menu for adding your signature, and you're going to select options in the signatures panel and select validate signatures. So in the signature validation status box, you're going to review the validation details of the signature, and to check the details about the signer certificate, you can go and select the options right here. So if you need any more help, I recommend going to this main page and finding this article, following it step by step and using it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.